Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm sure you already saw that I posted a final exam review with some dates. Just to go over that again, week 14 is broken into two sections. Week 14.1, which is 9/11 through 9/13, and then the final exam, which is 9/14 through 9/16. I'm going to go ahead and open the final exam on Monday if you want to do it early. However, it's only due by the 16th. So if you take a look at the final exam review, you're going to see a lot of great information in there, which is going to help you really have an excellent score or grade. I'm really looking forward to seeing your responses. Take your time on answering questions and really study to the best of your ability. So the final exam will be open on Monday. That's the only thing you have due moving forward. I'm truly looking forward to seeing how you do in this, and I'm hopeful that you really are taking advantage of the video that I posted to help you study. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Looking forward to Monday and seeing some great scores in these final exams. Thanks so much.